Something I've noticed with drawing for me is that if I draw too much, I start to lose my creativity because I spend so much time drawing that it becomes more of a chore. It feels like I'm just working, that I'm not doing something that I really enjoy. So I started to draw more so when I feel like drawing, when I really have that instinctual feeling to create art, when I have a lot of creativity. And I'm spending the time when I'm not drawing just letting ideas come to my mind, and then taking all those ideas that I have and then putting them on the paper so that I can create something that is better and is more detailed, and in the long run I enjoy making, and I enjoy how it looks at the end. And it's not about the final result of what you create. If you're not enjoying the process of it, then it can be hard to create any artwork, because every day you wake up when you go to create, it's just going to feel like a chore, it's going to feel like a job. And for me, working full time, I feel like I'm doing so much work that if I come home and I do more of what just feels like constant work, I'm going to get really burnt out, and I'll get to the point where I have artist block and I can't really think of anything to create any type of art. So I step back a little bit on creating so much, and instead of doing so many different types of drawings and doing so many drawings, I'm more focused on the quality now and trying to improve and drawing and painting and improving my style. I've found some different styles that I enjoy doing, and one of those being ballpoint pen. And the drawing that I did today for this, I used a Pilot V5 Precise rollerball pen. And what I did is, when it ran out of ink, I got some of my Rotring ink. It's an off-brand though, and I put that in the pen. Now this ink is archival and waterproof, so it lasts a long time. You don't have to worry about smearing anything. And you can also use it with watercolor. So I'm going to do a watercolor painting here in the next few days. I haven't done a watercolor painting in a few weeks, and I was thinking about that yesterday at work. I was debating on doing a drawing or a watercolor painting, and I was thinking about doing a watercolor painting the entire time I was doing this drawing. And that's an example of what I mean by create what you want when you want, based on whatever creativity that you have in your head. Now, you have a difference between being creative and the monotonous work of just improving. If you spend so much time only improving and you don't worry about being creative at all, then eventually you're going to lose that what really holds together the drawing process and the creativity that you enjoy. If it just feels like work, like I said earlier, you're going to get a burnout and you're just not going to enjoy it. And for me, I want to enjoy the process of creating art. I don't want to wake up every morning and feel like I have another job to do on top of everything else that I'm doing already in life. This is something that helps me take my mind off of everything, so I don't want it to become something that I don't enjoy. I want to continue enjoying doing this because it's just a part of who I am, and I just want to thank everybody for watching today. And if you haven't already, check out links in the description below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Thank you.